Hey all, so I'm back and this is the chapter 4 YouTube series. Today we're going to be learning how to make some interesting thing with Mod Podge. Basically it's glitter bottle and it's something which just adds sparkle to your wine bottles or to any bottle that you want to do. You can glitter anything and everything. So let's begin. These are the things that you'll be needing for this video. Mod Podge. So you could even get Fevicol instead of a Mod Podge if you don't have one. But if you're doing it professionally, then you need a Mod Podge. Glitter. So I have got golden glitter and it's in this packet. You can even get bottles, whatever. Then you need a setting spray. I have got a fixative. If you don't have a fixative at home, use your hairspray. If not a fixative. But if you're using it professionally, again, fixative is a must and not a hairspray. And your wine bottle. Because I'm actually making for a client of mine and they wanted to use Fratelli wine bottle. It works similarly on all the wine bottles. Any brush, flat brush would be preferred. These are some old brushes that I have. So you just need brushes. And a piece of paper. So you have a piece of paper over here. Let's begin. You're going to take a wine bottle. I've already wiped it off with a cloth. You can also wipe it off so that there's no dust or residue, or take your brush and just quickly do this to get done with all the dust on the bottle, if any. You take your Mod Podge. And then very carefully start placing it. Just make sure that you don't cover the label. Yeah, like that. So if you've covered the label, just take it like that and get done with it. Take the glitter and begin. So whatever portions are left, just put some more Mod Podge. So once you've covered your bottle with glitter, all you gotta do is just make sure with your other dry brush that there is no glitter left unnecessary anywhere. Just make sure that all the extra glitter falls. I use the sheet is so that I can collect all of my extra glitter. So take your bottle, take your fixative and let it dry. You can, after drying, tie a bow over here or with sequins write alphabets and you can gift it to your friend or family. I would be doing a chapter B part of this where I would be making a Ferrero Rocher bouquet on the top. So stay tuned for the continuation part of this DIY video. Do let me know in the comment section how did you find it. Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment, share. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.